If you've ever wished for an efficient, chemical-free way to clean your home from top to bottom, this Schenley 7-in-1 Steam Mop is the answer. Whether you're cleaning hard floors, grout, tiles, or even your kitchen stove, this dual-rod steam mop offers an all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs. It's not just a mop, it's a multifunctional cleaning tool designed to save time, effort, and money while keeping your living spaces spotless, healthy, and safe. Key features and benefits. Quick setup. One of the most impressive features of the Schenley Steam Mop is its rapid heating capability. In just 15 seconds, the mop reaches a temperature of up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you don't have to wait long before starting your cleaning. 3 steam modes. Whether you're tackling tough stains or just doing a quick touch-up, the 3 on-demand steam modes give you full control over the steam intensity. This ensures that every mess is handled effectively, from greasy kitchen counters to sticky bathroom floors. Eco-friendly cleaning. The Schenley Steam Mop uses only water to generate steam, so you're not exposing your family or pets to harmful chemicals. This feature makes it an ideal choice for households with young children, pets, or anyone looking for a more environmentally friendly way to clean. Chemical-free cleaning. The high-temperature steam effectively removes dirt, grime, and germs without the need for any toxic cleaners. It's a natural, safe, and efficient solution for maintaining a healthy home environment. Multi-surface cleaning. The detachable handheld steamer and 7-in-1 accessories offer versatility that traditional mops can't match. You can clean not only hard floors and tiles but also stubborn grease on kitchen stoves, tough stains in the bathroom, and even windows and glass surfaces. Washable microfiber pads. The washable microfiber pads included in the package allow you to reuse them multiple times, making this mop not only effective but also cost-efficient. Simply toss them in the washing machine after each use, and you're good to go. Extended power cord. The extended power cord of the Schenley Steam Mop provides up to 25 minutes of continuous steam, meaning you can clean a full-sized kitchen or multiple rooms without having to refill or change outlets. Efficient coverage. With its quick heat-up time and extended cleaning duration, the Schenley Steam Mop saves you time by covering a larger area in less time. Whether you're cleaning floors, walls, or tiles, you can get the job done faster, leaving you more time to relax or focus on other tasks. 180-degree swivel. The 180-degree swivel makes it easy to navigate around furniture, tight corners, and other obstacles. Whether you're cleaning under tables, behind furniture, or along baseboards, this mop's design ensures that you can reach every nook and cranny without straining your back or arms. Lightweight design. Weighing just a few pounds, the Schenley 7-in-1 Steam Mop is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry from room to room or even up and down stairs. Why choose the Schenley 7-in-1 Steam Mop? Chemical-free cleaning. The Schenley Steam Mop is a safe, chemical-free alternative to traditional cleaning methods. By using only water and high-temperature steam, it removes dirt, stains, and germs without harsh chemicals, making it safe for children, pets, and the environment. Versatile cleaning tool. Thanks to its detachable handheld steamer, multi-purpose accessories, and washable microfiber pads, this mop serves as a versatile tool that can clean everything from floors to windows, countertops, and even grout. Time-efficient design. The mop's quick heating and extended steam time mean you can clean large areas in less time, cutting down on the time and effort required for everyday cleaning. With up to 25 minutes of continuous steam, you can tackle multiple tasks in one go. Lightweight and maneuverable. Whether you're cleaning tight corners or reaching high surfaces, the Schenley Steam Mop's lightweight design and 180-degree swivel head ensure that every corner of your home gets a deep, thorough clean with minimal effort. Schenley 7-in-1 Steam Mop. Pros and cons. Pros: chemical-free cleaning, safe for kids and pets, no harsh chemicals needed. Versatile 7-in-1 design, cleans floors, counters, bathrooms, and more. Quick heating, ready in 15 seconds for efficient use. Extended cleaning time, long power cord, and up to 25 minutes of continuous steam. Eco-friendly pads, washable microfiber pads reduce waste and save money. Lightweight and flexible, easy to maneuver with a 180-degree swivel head. Customer support, reliable brand service for assistance. Cons: not for heavy scrubbing, struggles with tough, sticky messes. Cord length limits may require outlet changes in larger spaces. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.